Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to configure your IP configuration when you have a problem. It appears with the no internet secured. I will be able to fix that issue in your laptop or computer using the command prompt. Let me show you how you'll do that. Go to your search tab, write cmd, then you open, and then you write ipconfig /dns, then you write ipconfig release to release the IP configuration so that you can renew it, release like that, then and then you renew now. You have seen it has removed the internet, no internet access, and it is saying no connected and secured. So that is method one for doing that. Make sure you watch the other video, and if it does not bring it doesn't read yet, you can try you can repeat it 2 times, until it reads. There will be another method 2, and that will be another video. Thank you for watching.